subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day.
Merhaba arkadaşlar. In this video we will learn some emergency phrases. Maybe you are going to toilet and you need to ask. Or maybe you are ill, sick, and you need a doctor. So in this video I will try to cover these things. This video will be a little bit longer, so please watch the video fully with sabr or patience. Okay? Let's start. You are at the shopping mall and there are a lot of people, but you don't need the people. You need toilet. So in this case you will ask, acaba tuvalet nerede? Acaba tuvalet nerede? Acaba tuvalet nerede? It means, I wonder, where is the toilet? Acaba means I wonder. Tuvalet means toilet. Nerede? Where it is. Acaba tuvalet nerede? Karnım ağrıyor. I wonder where is the toilet. I have stomachache. Now you became sick and you need a doctor. You say, doktora ihtiyacım var. Doktora ihtiyacım var. Doktora ihtiyacım var. It means I need a doctor. Doktora means to doctor. İhtiyacım means I need or my need. Var means there is. So, to doctor my need, there is. But of course, you are smart people. This is not the correct translation. The correct translation is I need a doctor. Now you are going to somewhere and you have lost. In Turkish you say kayboldum. Kayboldum. Kayboldum. It means I'm lost. Who told you to go alone? Why you didn't tell me? Huh? If you need help, you say yardıma ihtiyacım var. Yardıma ihtiyacım var. Yardıma ihtiyacım var. I need help. Yardıma means to help. İhtiyacım means my need. Var means there is. To help my need, there is. Na. Correct translation is I need help. Now I am fighting with you and you call for help. İmdat. İmdat. It means help. Don't worry, I will not fight with you again. Now you are angry from me and you say beni yalnız bırak. Beni yalnız bırak. Beni yalnız bırak. It means leave me alone. Beni means me. Yalnız means alone. Bırak means leave. I hope you can understand because you are smart people. Now you are going to Turkey and you say, I have lost my passport. In Turkish you say, pasaportumu kaybettim. Pasaportumu kaybettim. Pasaportumu kaybettim. It means, I have lost my passport. Pasaportumu means my passport. Kaybettim means I have lost. Pasaportumu kaybettim. I have lost my passport. Why you are not careful? Why did you lose it? I will tell this to your mother. She will be angry. You are in a problem, or maybe there is a thief in your house. You want to call the police. In Turkish you will say, Polis çağırın. Polis çağırın. Police çağırın. It means call the police. Remember, this is formal way. The informal way is police çağır. Okay? Maybe police will help you. Someone is down, got hurt from thief, or maybe from other bad person, and you need ambulance. In Turkish, you say like this: Ambulans çağırın. Ambulans çağırın. Ambulans çağırın. Call the ambulance. Çağırın is formal, and if you say çağır, it becomes informal. So these were useful phrases about emergency. I didn't cover all the phrases, but these were few. So if you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section and I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay? If you enjoyed the lesson, then don't go without liking this video and also share with others and subscribe to Language Animated channel for more Turkish lessons. Thanks for watching. Güle güle.